Hey everyone, welcome back. After extensive research and real user feedback, we've found the best home saunas of 2026 across every category and budget. From traditional Finnish saunas to infrared, outdoor luxury to portable options, there's something here for everyone. So if you're ready to bring the spa experience home, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's dive in. Let's go! Starting with the best home sauna overall, the Redwood Outdoors Haven Indoor Sauna. If you're looking for the traditional Finnish sauna experience, Redwood Outdoors is known for its high-quality dry saunas. This premium model is available in two sizes, the above version for 3 people and the Sanctuary model for 4 people. It's made with FSC-certified Canadian thermowood, an extremely durable treated wood that's fungi and rot-resistant, and tempered glass, which isn't prone to shattering. With proper care, it should last 15 to 20 years. Additionally, while assembling the sauna isn't a breeze, it's not as arduous as with some other models. If you tag team the setup, it should take you around half a day from start to finish. One more fun thing about this sauna. Along with a doormat, shingles, rocks, a wooden stool, and backrests, each purchase comes with a traditional felt sauna hat to help regulate your body temperature during use. This is the traditional Finnish experience. The Sun Home Saunas Equinox. 2-person full-spectrum infrared sauna is the best infrared home sauna. Infrared saunas don't get as hot as their traditional counterparts, but they typically heat up more quickly. This has to do with the heating mechanism. They emit wavelengths of infrared light, which penetrate the skin and warm your body without raising the temperature significantly. This model from Sun Home Saunas, which is sold in versions that can fit 2 or 3 people and heats up to 170 degrees, is your best bet. While many infrared saunas only emit far wavelengths, the Equinox has a full-spectrum heating system that emits all 3 levels of infrared heat, near, mid, and far, to provide the most health benefits. It also comes with a built-in Bluetooth sound system and medical-grade chromotherapy, also known as color therapy, lights. Last, assembly isn't too time-consuming. No power tools, screws, or nails are required. Perfect infrared option. The Sun Home Saunas. The Luminar 2-person full-spectrum infrared sauna is the best infrared outdoor home sauna. Sun Home's outdoor-friendly Luminar saunas are luxurious, but we think they're worth the investment if you want an infrared model. Available in models that can accommodate 2 or 5 people, these saunas are equipped with full-spectrum heaters on the front glass and far infrared heaters throughout the cabin and in the floor. It reaches temperatures of 170 degrees, and thanks to its aerospace-grade aluminum exterior, it can maintain optimal heat throughout, including in the cooler months. Additional features include Bluetooth surround sound, built-in speakers, and chromotherapy lighting, all controllable via the mobile app. The only real, and for some people big, downside is that assembly is intensive. While you can tackle setup with 2 to 4 people, the brand recommends hiring a contractor for installation. Perfect outdoor luxury. The Dynamic Saunas. Barcelona Infrared Sauna easily earns the title of Best Value Home Sauna. While home saunas are almost always a serious investment, this model proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get a high-quality, relaxing experience at home. The Barcelona uses a compact phone booth-style design crafted from reforested Canadian hemlock wood, paired with tempered glass for a clean, modern look. Inside, you'll find 6 carbon infrared heating panels that provide even, gentle heat designed to penetrate deep into muscles and joints. Perfect for relaxation, recovery, and daily wellness routines. Control is simple and intuitive, thanks to interior and exterior LED control panels. And you also get chromotherapy lighting, which adds an extra layer of relaxation during longer sessions. Heat-up time is solid too. The sauna reaches its maximum temperature of around 140 degrees Fahrenheit in roughly 30 minutes, making it easy to fit into a daily routine without long waits. If you're looking for a reliable, feature-packed infrared sauna under $2,000, the Dynamic Saunas Barcelona is one of the smartest buys out there, and a fantastic entry point into home sauna ownership. If you want the benefits of a sauna without committing to a permanent installation, the Serene Life Compact and Portable Sauna is one of the most practical options available. It may not look as sleek or luxurious as traditional wooden saunas, but it delivers where it matters most: heat, convenience, and affordability. This portable sauna is made from insulated heat-retaining fabric and functions like a personal steam tent. You simply zip yourself inside, leaving your head exposed through the top opening with additional slots for your hands. Inside, you'll find a comfortable folding chair and a built-in pocket to hold the remote, letting you control temperature and session time without stepping out. The sauna uses 3 carbon fiber heating panels capable of reaching temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, which is more than enough to promote sweating, relaxation, and muscle recovery. If the standard size feels a bit snug, Serene Life also offers a larger version with a 4-liter steamer for extended sessions and added comfort. If your goal is maximum wellness benefits with minimal space, cost, and commitment, this is one of the smartest portable sauna options you can buy. Perfect for tight spaces and flexible home spa sessions. If you don't have the space or the budget for a full-sized home sauna, a sauna blanket is one of the smartest alternatives, and the higher dose infrared sauna blanket is easily the best one available right now. It delivers many of the same wellness benefits as a traditional sauna in a compact, foldable design that fits almost anywhere. This blanket uses far infrared heat, which penetrates deeper into the body than standard surface heat, helping promote circulation, muscle recovery, detoxification, and relaxation. Temperature control is excellent, with 8 adjustable heat levels ranging from 68 degrees Fahrenheit up to a powerful 175 degrees Fahrenheit, all managed through an easy-to-use handheld controller. Once you're done, the blanket folds neatly for storage under a bed or in a closet. No permanent setup, no bulky footprint, and no complicated installation required. For apartment dwellers, frequent travelers, or anyone short on space, this sauna blanket offers a surprisingly effective and convenient way to enjoy infrared sauna benefits without committing to a full sauna room. Perfect for maximum heat, wellness benefits, and total space savings. The plunge. The Sauna Standard is the best home sauna with high temps. Prefer upping the heat? The maker of the popular cold plunge tub also has a sauna kit that comes highly recommended. While it's technically a traditional dry sauna, you can pour water onto the stones to create a steam effect. The sauna features a sweltering range of up to 230 degrees, thanks to its wall-mounted heater, which holds over 130 pounds of rounded olivine diabase stones. You can also turn the sauna on and set the temperature ahead of time via the brand's app. Do note that this sauna needs a 240-volt/30-amp outlet, which requires installation by an electrician. The plunge's modular tongue and groove design makes setup straightforward, and its high-quality cedar construction and weatherproof roof make it versatile. Further, the sauna has features like flip-up benches, a built-in sliding vent, and a phone mount, perfect for extreme heat lovers. Alright everyone, those are the best home saunas of 2026. Remember, the best sauna comes down to your space, heat preference, setup style, and budget. Drop a comment. Do you use a sauna at home, and which type do you prefer? If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more wellness gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.